Hello students, today we will know more about solar system. Now let's first talk about the sun. Sun is the biggest heavenly body we see in the sky.
Actually, the sun is a star and it is very close to earth as compared to other stars. It is actually the nearest star to the earth. It is a big ball of gases. It gives us heat and light. We should never look at the sun directly as it can harm
Our delicate eyes.
Many heavenly bodies revolve around the sun. They are called planets. Heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called moons. Sun, planets and their moons together are called solar system. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Let's learn their names in order of their position from the sun. First, we have Mercury, which is the first one nearest to the sun. Second, Venus. Then Earth, on which we live, and it is the third planet. Then comes Mars. Then Jupiter. Then Saturn. Then Uranus, and then Neptune, and it is the farthest planet from the sun. They all revolve around the sun in fixed path called orbit. Orbit is a fixed path on which 8 planets revolve. Each planet has its own orbit, like Mercury will move only on this orbit. Venus will move only on this. Likewise, all planets will move on their fixed path called orbit. The heavenly body that revolves around the earth is called moon, or the natural satellite of earth. Planets and moons do not have their own light. They only receive the light from the sun. Only the sun and stars have their own light. Planets and moons do not have their own light.
Now let's know more about each planet in detail.
First, Mercury. It is the first planet from the sun, so it's closest to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Next we have Venus.
It is the second planet from the sun and it is the brightest and hottest planet.
Next we have the Earth. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the planet we live on and it's unique planet as it has life on it. It is called the blue planet because 1/3 surface of the Earth is covered with water. Next, Mars. It is the fourth planet from the sun. It's a rocky planet. It looks red, so it is also called the red planet. Next we have Jupiter. It's the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the sun. It is second biggest after Jupiter. It has bright colored rings around it. Next, Uranus. It is the seventh planet. It is very cold as it's very far from the sun. It also has rings around it. Next, Neptune.
It is the 8th planet from the sun, so it's the farthest and the coldest planet.